So this is a gorgeous 12.1 carat sapphire. That's its table or C-axis. It's quite a strange colour. And then the cross table is a nice bright green colour. Now where that little yellow point is down the bottom there are lots of flaws in that part of the stone. So I am thinking that I'll lose a lot of this and end up with a sort of elongated shape. But I won't really know until I start preforming and removing some of those flaws there and then seeing what sort of shape I've got left to work with. There's the beautiful green cross table. And I've started to cut out some of the flaws there on that edge, which sometimes only starts to reveal more flaws that you may not have seen previously. So I'm just going to work on getting those fractures out. So as I'm taking these flaws out, I'm finding that they go in a bit deeper than what I had thought, which tends to happen sometimes. So the options at this stage with this stone would be to possibly saw it in half and get two smaller stones, or to keep working on those fractures there and get a long narrow stone, which I think may be the way to go, but I'm not sure yet because those little flaws there do go in a little way further. I might just put a pre-polished surface on that, a window, so that you can see them a bit better. So just by putting a little pre-polished window on that part of the stone, we've created a window where we can see right into the internal structure of the stone. And that gives me a much better look at where and how deep those flaws are, so that I can then further assess and decide what to do with this stone. They do go in a little way. If there was sort of a deep crack through the middle, I would probably put a saw through it. But I think I'm just going to keep trying to get those flaws out, because there's a couple of that are more like inclusions, like a discoid or fracture. And then there are just, the end of fractures. So I do prefer a clean stone if possible. If there was an inclusion in the middle of the stone, then I would leave it there, but there is a difference between inclusions and fractures. So I'm going to keep working on this stone now. Windows. Putting windows in stones is a great idea to help your assessment and see where those little tricky flaws can go. So this is after I've taken out those flaws, and this weight is now down to 6.7 carats. And those little flaws can completely change the way that you're approaching the stone. So another little one up the top there. And so there's cross table, there's table. This is about 45 degrees off table, but there is a natural keel there, a natural keelette. So I will be utilising that in my design choice and my choice of, cutting it off table. Sorry about the focus, guys. It's not another little flaw there, is it? Might just be the reflection. So now I've got a clean piece of material, I hope. It's an amazing difference though between the table and the cross table. It's the green and that's that strange colour, bluey, grey, green sort of colour. So I've got decent proportions to cut a good stone, an elongated stone. I just need to work out what shape. I'm probably down to a choice of emerald cut, elongated hexagon, freeform, or a similar design to one I did the other day. So I'll have a think about that before I dop it up. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.